What's up, everyone? Well, I came to check on the print and it did a first for it. The thermal runaway protection kicked in, so it's good to know that works. But as you can see, the print, yeah, only I think it was like 6 hours in, so not too much loss. But I decided this would be a good time to PID tune it. Never done it on this machine before, but I've done it on that one about 3 or so times. So basically what you got to do with a PID tune is, well, first you got to hook up your computer to your printer, and then you're going to hit connect. It'll normally say connect, not disconnect. And then once you connect it, you're going to go, here, let me get back up to the top where I started it. I just thought of making the video as, okay, so what you're going to do now is after you connect it, you're gonna put in, I think it's M303? Yeah, you're gonna put in M303E0 S205C10, and what that's gonna do is it's saying to the machine, and then that's the extruder. It's 0 because we only have 0. I tried putting in 1 and it would not work. So put a 0, and then the S is for temperature, 205, and then C is how many cycles it's going to do that. Now the whole point of PID tuning is it's going to make the printer cycle the heat at least as many times as you tell it to, and from what I've read, 10 gives you a pretty good number on what you need to run. Once it does that for however many cycles, you can watch the graph bar go up, and then depending on how squiggly it is it'll try and pinpoint that perfect zone to get as close to 205C or whatever temp you want as possible. And then after it does about 10 or so checks like that, you'll see this come up. It's going to say PID tune auto tune finish, put the last PID constants from below. So basically now what you're going to do is you're going to do the M303, and then you're going to put, now yours will be different, but mine was 30.25 for the P, I is 3.69, D is 61.96. So once it gives you whatever numbers it gives you specifically, you're going to type that in down here again, just like you did on top, but this time you're going to put P, I, and then D, and then the numbers. Just make sure there's a, just like this, a space in everything. Now there are other way better exploratorial videos on YouTube, but I just wanted to do a quick demonstration on how I do it, and hopefully this will fix the problem, because I got some bigger prints I'm wanting to get out, and hopefully this won't happen again, especially during like another 2-3 day print. So hope this gives you some information. There's plenty of information online and YouTube, so yeah. But yeah, and then once you're done, just hit disconnect and you're all set.